Sony Xperia C5 Ultra Dual. First thing that you will notice that this phone have such a thin bezel, which reminds me of iPhone 6 rumor before it got released, that it will look like this without having any bezel. I mean, that didn't happen, but after all we do not have that, but we do have this somewhere similar to that big rumor, and that makes it more attractive and more premium. We have a MediaTek 1.7 GHz octa-core processor Cortex A53 with 2 GB of RAM, which is not that great but it does the job. We have a 6-inch Full HD IPS display with 367 ppi. The ppi is not enough for that much big of a screen, but you still can't see any pixels. On the right side we have a power button, the volume rocker and camera shutter button, which Sony is fond of, and I like that. And on the left side we have a cover for the waterproof casing, and the phone is not even waterproof, but anyway, we have a dual SIM slot with 4G support, an external memory slot which is expandable up to 200 GB and 16 GB internal. The back side of the phone is fingerprint magnet, but that gives this phone more grip and easier to hold. On the front we have a loudspeaker which is at the bottom more likely with a premium finish. At the top we have another speaker, but for calls and stuff, they're not like surround speakers. We have 13 megapixel rear camera with flash and 30 megapixel front camera also with flash. For all the sci-fi viewers out there, this camera is for you. Both sides we have f2.0 aperture, which is great for low light conditions and is not overexposed at all. It can record up to 4 HD videos and some features to play with, and some are really useful. We also have NFC and 2390 mAh battery, which screen on time is about 6 hours and standby time is over a week, don't know, maybe more. The thing that bothers me, why such a specific number of battery for this phone? Why didn't they made it 3000 mAh or 2900 mAh? This phones come with Android 5.0 Lollipop, but it is upgradable to 5.1 over OTA updates, and the UI is always as good and simple, which does not have any lagging problems right out of the box. Gaming performance is overall good. I did not find any lag or whatsoever, but the games seems to crash a lot for me. Here's a quick sneak peek for audio quality. The video quality fancies, I mean, with a bezel like that I can watch video for hours just because of that bezel. The thing is, it is also loaded with a pack of features like one hand operation, which makes user interface to the size of your thumb. The Sony Mobile Bravia engine, the one from their LEDs, which explains the display and active noise cancellation from a secondary microphone, etc. I think that a phablet and a selfie camera is a pretty bad combination for a smartphone, but the phone goes about it in a way that many will appreciate. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then make sure to click the like button, and if you want to see some more, then make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.